So yeah, man, let's get into the breakdown. So as you can see, pretty much the way that I trade is I basically mark up my charts, but in a line formation where it's higher lows and lower highs. And this is pretty much what I learned in IM Academy, as y'all seen in my last video when I was speaking about IM Academy and Rise Academy. They helped me understand this, that you should look at the charts in the lower low and lower high formation, higher low and higher high, right? You should see it in that formation. So you never want to look at the market with just the candles itself, but instead look at them like this, right? So yeah, so that being said, that's pretty much how I look at the markets now. And what I've seen here was that the market had basically came back up after this big downtrend, came back up, shot down, blew this lower low, and then made this new lower high. But instead of beating this old lower high, it actually created an equal area in the market. And with that being said, that's what we call liquidity. And that's why I see this green box right here with the dollar sign on top of it, because what it's basically showing is that there's money above this area right here. And that's because a lot of people are putting their stop losses and things of that sort in this area since they're in for this sell. And you know what people say, support and resistance, support, resistance, sell, sell. No, I feel as though that's one of the biggest scams in the foreign exchange market. And this is a clear example of why. The market makers seen that there was still money up here, pushed the market down. Some people thought that it was going to sell again, probably got in for a sell for this third time, and completely got, you know, stopped out their trade, and the market came right back in their direction, right? So once I seen that, I seen how the market was moving, and I was a little, you know, tempted, right, by how the market was moving. And that's when I started paying attention more to this pair. So once I seen that the market was pushing down and it made this rejection right here, how it came off, I seen that this was a strong area in the market and it made a new high, as you can see. Oh, actually it didn't make a new high. I thought it did. But once it pushed back down and it came right back to the same area that I had already marked up in the first place, and I initially seen a rejection right here. We go to the lower time frames. Let's go to the 30. As y'all can see, there was another rejection right here in the market, right? So once I seen this rejection, I seen it going back up. I thought that, okay, there's money down here, so it's gonna push down here and it's gonna take some type of liquidity. And as you can see, big black candle, millions of dollars into sales. That's when they put their $1 billion into buys, right? So after that, seeing the market make its way back up again. Now, if I wanted to make this area right here valid, I need this price. I need price right here to push all the way above this last high. And if it pushes above this last high, then I know that, okay, now this might be a valid area to get in for a buy, right? To look at for the institutional candle. That's what we wait for. So I might have to go back to the 4 hour because it's taking too long. Let's see. And please ignore what's going on back here. This video is a week after this actually happened. So as y'all can see, market is moving, and boom, right there, it blows past this last high. So once I see this coming back down, I'm like, okay, boom. This was the last area that it came off of, and I see that it took liquidity. So I'm gonna see if the market is gonna respect that institutional candle. And unfortunately, it actually didn't. It blew right past it. But when I realized, okay, boom, so if it's not this one, let me see if it's this one. And that's when I put in the trade, as y'all can see on the screen right here. And pretty much, the market blew right past this. Yeah, took that money, and boom. Right off that black line right there. And as y'all know, usually my stop losses are 15 or less pips, and take profit is at the last high. So with that being said, swung this for 104 pips, and stop loss was about 13 pips. I'm not sure because, like I said, I had to put this back on the chart right after. And yeah, man, so boom, as y'all can see, this was a 1 to 7, almost at 1 to 8. And pretty much what I seen here, like I said before, is I seen this liquidity get taken up here. Market rallied up, pushed back down, pushed up, beat this high, came back down, blew this institutional candle, but respected this one, and we took it up. So yeah, I did lose this trade. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I did put this trade in, but I lost. But of course, I made my money back and some with this entry right here. Right, I think I made like $200, and I lost like $30 from this one. But pretty much what that is, I could actually, you know, took some more profits. But pretty much what I seen here in this candle, right, last down candle, is when I drop time frames and I zoom in, there's a very specific candle right here, right? For the 30 minute, because that candle's still too big. So it was a very specific candle right here that I seen that was humongous, and it was this one right here that brought the market down, right? But I also seen some area of a wick right here, which is what, 6 pips. So that's still relative in the more, you know, that's not really a lot, but at the same time I still seen that them 6 pips right there. So I extended my, what is this, a cube GAN box? I'll just call it a box. So I just still extended the box all the way down here to just see what the market was going to do in this area. And I got the 50% of this candle right here and some, like I said, at the bottom. And that's pretty much how I got my entry. And like I said, stop loss at the low. I don't always go all the way at the low, because if the market gets into this area right here, then it's pretty much going to take that money, because there's money down here also, if you didn't know. It's NZDCAD, and as you can see, the market pretty much came down, did what it was going to do, blew past, bro, like the market literally just went up there in like a day, I believe. And then it came, dropped down again. And but I missed this entry, y'all. And it's so sad because I missed this entry. I think this was on a Friday, July 29th. Wait, this was on a Monday? Oh, that's crazy. That is insane. But yeah, y'all. Now, I want y'all to see this on NZDCAD. Watch this, y'all. So pretty much, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, we had this area right here that was not respected. That was respected, I'm sorry. So as you can see, we have this area here that was respected by this big wick, which shows just strong price, area of price in the market. And as you can see, market rallied up, came back down. Y'all, I had this week, like I told y'all, I'm already on phase two. Phase two almost finna pass. I'm like $200 away, $210 away. And y'all, when I tell y'all that I had like at least 4 trades that could have helped me pass the challenge this week, and I missed all of them. Like I missed at least like 3 trades this week. And then GBP there was news, so I wasn't able to swing it all the way like I wanted to the take profit to beat the challenge, because I was up like around 160 but took my profits at $100 because of news. I was at work, you know, like I've been telling you, I was at work today, you know, managing the trade and stuff like that, so it kind of messed me up. But anyways, yeah, so boom, right, market came down. How many pips is this, y'all? Look how much the market is literally dwelling with my entry. Four pips. 4 pips, y'all. Missed my entry by 4 pips 3 times. Probably a 4th one. It hasn't beat this high just yet. Nope, it's coming back down. Let me speed this up a little bit more. Oh no, yeah. So it missed my entry like about 3 times, y'all. 1, well, really 2 times. But yeah, 2 times. But as y'all can see, it still hasn't beat this high. So this could be liquidity also. But the way that the market is, I'm not too sure. Let me see. It's crazy because I just not realized this. actually breaking this down with y'all. You see, look, equal lows. That's liquidity, that's money down there. People stop losses. People money right there. I'm finna go take that. But yeah, if I do see the market open back up and prices moving towards that direction, I might go ahead and get in for this buy, because the way that the market is moving, this might be a liquidity grab that they might do here, and we have a 1 to 9 set up for next week, right? A good old 1 to 9, swinging in for 138 pips, and stop loss is 15. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what I got for NZDCAD. I'm gonna go to NZDCHF for the next video. Make sure you stay tuned to see this trade right here. Beautiful, beautiful 1 to 8, 8 pip stop loss, 670 pip TP, beautiful entry. I don't even think that this was the original trade, is it? Hopefully. Like I said, y'all, this is a week later, so I pretty much got to go back into my MetaTrader and see where my trades and my entries and my stop loss were to pretty much tell y'all, you know, everything. But yeah, y'all, hope you like this breakdown. It's gonna be a whole nother breakdown right after this one, so make sure you stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel. A lot of great information, and also turn on that bell. I've been forgetting to tell y'all. Turn on that bell so you know when I drop, so you know when you can learn more about the foreign exchange market, so you can make more money from your phone. With that being said, man, I'll see you in the next video. Keep attacking these markets, and we out. Yes, sir.